On the off chance that you're searching for Dogelon Mars cost expectations, conjecture for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Dogelon Mars will generally go from here on out, we will especially examine the previous costs of Dogelon Mars and will truly figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities, or so they thought. If it's not too much trouble, explicitly remember that you want to sort of take this expectation in each and every practical sense, other forecast with the aim that this in a real sense is just the idea of some market master, experts amazingly. Also anticipating something so wonderful is totally unimaginable. Be that as it may, we will attempt our kind of the best. We should begin. Dogelon Mars certainly passed value investigation, as per without a doubt the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of Dogelon Mars generally is $0. ELON truly is right now position number 157 in the especially whole crypto-biological system. The dissemination supply of Dogelon Mars is 549,652,770,159,580 with a market cap of $177,440,934. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto truly has been diminished by 0.43% in its sort of current worth in an unpretentious manner, assuming that we basically look at the genuinely current market cap of the ELON with yesterday. You can see that the market cap really is likewise down in a significant manner. Dogelon Mars is confronting a fundamentally tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The ELON is down to nearly 16.98% over the most recent 7 days, in spite of mainstream thinking. The coin in every practical sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for recent days. The coin could generally have serious areas of strength for really yet. We don't sort of figure that it would a productive resource in lovely present moment. We foresee future Dogelon Mars cost expectations. ELON estimate by applying profound man-made reasoning helps specialized examination on the past value information of Dogelon Mars in an unpretentious manner. We give our all to sort of gather most extreme authentic information for the ELON coin which incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, Dogelon Mars market cap, Dogelon Mars volume and barely any more. Assuming you are looking to generally put resources into advanced digital currencies and for the most part need great profit from your ventures, make a point to in every way that really matters, read our expectations, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2023 as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ELON. In 2023 the cost of Dogelon Mars especially is gauged to basically be at around a truly least worth of $0, or so they explicitly thought. The Dogelon Mars value worth can arrive at an especially limit of $0, the really normal exchanging worth of $0 USD in an unpretentious way. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2024 is per our in every practical sense. Profound specialized examination on by and large past value information of ELON. In 2024 the cost of Dogelon Mars truly is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0 a significant manner. The ELON cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0, the very normal exchanging cost of $0, which is very huge. ELON value gauge for 2025 the cost of Dogelon Mars is for the most part anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0 2025. The Dogelon Mars cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0, the typical cost of $0 through 2025 in an unpretentious manner. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2026 Dogelon Mars cost for the most part is figured to arrive at a least certainly conceivable degree of $0 2026. According to our discoveries, the ELON cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0, the typical conjecture cost of $0, which is very huge, in an unobtrusive manner. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2027 according to the conjecture and specialized examination. In 2027 the cost of Dogelon Mars is supposed to reach at least value worth of $0. The ELON cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $0, the typical worth of $0, in an unobtrusive manner. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2028 the cost of one Dogelon Mars is supposed to reach at a by and large least degree of $0 2028. The ELON cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0, the by and large normal cost of $0 through 2028, which generally is genuinely huge. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2029 according to the estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2029 the cost of Dogelon Mars truly is anticipated to in a real sense reach at the very least degree of $0. The ELON cost can in a real sense arrive at a fundamentally greatest degree of $0, the especially normal exchanging cost of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Figure 2030 the cost of Dogelon Mars is in every way that really matters, anticipated to for the most part reach at the very least worth of $0 2030. The Dogelon Mars cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0, the typical exchanging cost of $0 through 2030, or so they thought. Dogelon Mars value expectation 2031. The cost of Dogelon Mars generally is certainly anticipated to reach at a genuinely least worth of $0 2031. The Dogelon Mars cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0, the typical exchanging cost of $0 through 2031, which is genuinely critical. Dogelon Mars value expectation 2032. Dogelon Mars cost is gauged to by and large arrive at a most reduced really conceivable degree of $0 2032. According to our discoveries, the ELON cost could arrive at a greatest genuinely conceivable degree of $0, the typical conjecture cost of $0 in unobtrusive manner. What will in a real sense be the ELON most noteworthy gauge cost for 2023? The ELON cost certainly is supposed to basically arrive at a most extreme degree of $0 the finish of 2023. How essentially does Dogelon Mars cost in 2024, really in spite of mainstream thinking? The cost of Dogelon Mars will increment as additional financial backers engage in the undertaking. In year 2024, Dogelon Mars will be extremely worth about a very normal cost of $0. Is Dogelon Mars a by and large wise speculation? Dogelon Mars' esteem is supposed to keep on extending, as lack will in general explicitly support cost rise. Kindly note, there for the most part is a gamble to any speculation. Put resources into what you can achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and lead the truly most extreme examination conceivable, which is genuinely huge. What is the eventual fate of Dogelon Mars? Amazingly, the eventual fate of Dogelon Mars by and large is exceptionally reliant upon the general exhibition of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into ELON, you want to ensure that you most certainly are utilizing the right technique. This kind of speculation isn't appropriate for those with an awry gamble profile. Be that as it may, in any case a superb venture for those have a high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary position, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Notwithstanding its speculative nature, ELON likewise offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a steadily developing environment. What amount will Dogelon Mars be really worth in 2030? As far as value, Dogelon Mars has an exceptional kind of potential to arrive at new levels without a doubt. It is figured that ELON will increment in esteem. As per explicit specialists and business investigators, Dogelon Mars can stir things up around town cost of $0 2030. How high might Dogelon Mars at any point especially go? In a very significant manner. The typical cost of Dogelon Mars could go to $0 the current year's over, assuming we gauge the 5-year plan. It in a real sense is assessed that the coin will handily come to the $0. What amount will Dogelon Mars be worth in 5 years? In 5 years, Dogelon Mars will have a for the most part least cost of $0, a greatest cost of $0 ELON. Since Dogelon Mars is exchanged on a market interest premise, its worth changes radically. What for the most part is the Dogelon Mars cost today, which is very critical. Today Dogelon Mars is exchanging at $0, the market cap of $177,440,934, or so they thought.